Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll walk you through placing a basic limit order on the NinjaTrader 8 platform. First, open NinjaTrader 8 and ensure you are connected to your data feed and brokerage account. Open a chart for the instrument you want to trade, e.g., ES12 to 25. Next, right-click on the chart and select Chart Trader to enable the order entry panel on your chart. Alternatively, you can use the Super DOM for order entry. Then, in the Chart Trader panel, make sure the account and quantity are set correctly. Click the drop-down menu for order type and select Limit. After that, you can set your limit price in two ways, either by typing the price directly into the price field or by clicking directly on the price level you desire on the chart itself. Finally, click the Buy or Sell button corresponding to your limit order, e.g., Buy if you want to buy at or below a certain price. Your limit order is now live and working in the market. You can monitor and manage your order from the Orders tab in the Control Center. If this guide got your limit order working, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.